Huh?
My $400.
Oh, I understood. I need $400. Well, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We got Beauty in the backhoe. That's Beauty. I'm the Beast. That's my daughter. No crazy thing. But anyway, just the leftover asphalt from that job that we just did. So we're gonna try to spread it here a bit and then cover that hole there a bit. Come on, spread it. Push it down. Come on, baby. She's so scared. Look at her. She's so scared. She's just saying no. She keeps shaking her head. No, 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 no. Come on. Drop the bucket. Drop the bucket. Drop the bucket.